Hi everyone, welcome to our crash course on implementing the Tier 1 bronze level of SMB 1001, the international cybersecurity standard built to help small and medium businesses build real, practical security. Today we're going to focus on how to meet these requirements using tools and practices that most modern businesses already have access to, especially if you're using cloud platforms or business productivity suites. So let's dive in. Tier 1 is all about getting the cybersecurity hygiene basics in place. It's the first of 5 levels that set the foundation. Think of it like locking the front door, setting up some basic rules for your housemates, and making sure that you've got a backup key just in case. Nothing fancy, but the absolute essentials. There are 6 core requirements spread across 3 areas: technology management, access management, and backup and recovery. We'll go through each and we'll give you some examples of what good enough looks like for a modern cloud-connected business. First up, we have technology management. 3 controls here. First one, engage a technical support specialist. This can be a part-time IT consultant or a managed service provider, or even someone internal who knows how to manage your digital environment. What matters is having someone responsible for making sure systems stay healthy, patched, and secure, especially for your emails, file storage, and user accounts. Next, we look at installing and configuring a firewall. Most of your tools live in the cloud. You still want to secure the devices and networks your teams use and have access to. That means having firewalls enabled on laptops and routers, closing unnecessary ports, and disabling file sharing on personal networks. Think of it as your perimeter defense. We need to install antivirus software on all devices. Every device used for work, whether it's company-owned or BYO, should be running modern endpoint protection. Ideally, it's centrally managed with alerts and automated updates. We're not talking old-school virus scanners here. Modern solutions now look at behavior, not just signatures. Next, we'll talk about access management. Just one requirement here, and it's a big one. Change your passwords routinely. Your password policy needs to enforce regular changes, but not go overboard. Best practice today says longer, unique passphrases and layered authentication beats monthly resets. At the very least, change your passwords annually, especially for your admin and shared accounts. And if you can, start shifting towards passwordless logons with biometrics or hardware keys. Finally, we've got backup and recovery. This is your safety net. You want to back up anything that's critical to keeping the lights on. Things like emails, documents, financial records, and customer data. Use automated backups and store them off-site or in a separate cloud storage, and test that you can actually restore the data. If someone clicks on a bad link and ransomware locks your files, this is what gets you back on your feet. Once you've got all 6 controls in place, you're ready to certify. Tier 1 just needs a self-attestation by a director or business owner. It's simple, accessible, and designed to help you build trust with partners, clients, and regulators. The good thing is, if you're already using business-grade cloud tools, a lot of it is either built in or a few clicks away. The real trick is knowing how to configure it properly and making sure it's actually turned on. So there's your starter guide for real-world cybersecurity. Bronze tier of SMB 1001 isn't just a checklist. It's the foundation for building resilience. Keep things simple, document what you do, and don't be afraid to get help. The stronger your basics, the easier it is to scale up. Next time we'll talk about Tier 2 Silver. Thanks everyone, and stay secure.